It's the last day here. We get off today, and we're gonna have a day in Seattle and go explore around. I'm gonna go up to the top deck because I think we just docked. So, and then I'll meet Haley at the buffet, but yeah, I'm about to ride the elevator. And we are back in Seattle. It is a little cold. Let's see. It's 49 degrees. Yeah, I probably should have brought my coat, but a whole city to explore today. Yeah, we're gonna eat at 6:30 and then get off before 8. We're gonna go do the Seattle things, right? Do the Grey's Anatomy, get some donuts. Long day though, our flight's at 10 p.m. so we have a red eye going back home. And then we'll get back at like 6 a.m. in the morning on Sunday, so it's gonna be an interesting time, I say. Seattle! There is not gonna be much sun today. It's gonna be like this kind of all day. We looked at the weather. So I think when we came to Seattle, we hit a good weather window. This whole trip we hit a really good weather window. It didn't really rain that much. I mean, it sprinkled in Juneau and then it snowed on the top of the mountain, obviously, like that's expected. But like every other place, it was sunny, partly cloudy. Like we hit an amazing weather window. We are like the first boat to sail to Alaska. So I guess it's all with luck, really, if you're gonna do a cruise like this. Be prepared for the rain, but who knows, you might have a chance for a weather window like we did. Check this out, the ferry's going. Seattle Ferry. A little bit, maybe?
Don't ask. Oh no, they live in the same community. Hungry, we have granola
Lots of food.
and muffins for sure to eat.
All right, so our last little goodbye to our little room. All right, let's head out into the line. Past the customs. We have landed in Seattle.
Okay, we can just
Now we're going to the Space Needle.
we'll go down to Broad and then just cut up. I may not.
This is how we're doing today. We are walking with our backpack and suitcases everywhere. Let's just hope one of our suitcases don't break on accident. Up these hills. We have finally made it to the Space Needle. Nice. I'm like realizing that I probably should have brought a little bit less on this trip, just for this singular day. have in front of ourselves. We have reached the top. Oh. Yeah, the promised land. So that was a trek, 30-minute trek. And we're eating on some steps right outside Voodoo, but we didn't get napkins, did we? You want to show the box? There we go. I want a picture. I kind of want to eat with this one. This is kind of big. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Whoa.
You know?
Yeah. I hope everyone's okay. Wait, who's... Is that the alarm going off?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
I don't think I've ever seen that before.
Yeah, I mean, I don't think I have either. Oh.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff.
Hey.
I wonder what's on fire.
So it was Haley and I's first time seeing like a actual fire, like in the city. It's pretty crazy. I don't know what happened. I guess maybe we'll have to research it or something. But yeah, there's also a convention going on.
An anime.
It's like an anime convention.
I definitely want to go see their Chinatown too.
Oh, they have a Chinatown?
Yeah, the sign is on the side.
Okay, I bet.
There's a Rolex store.
Okay, hi, this is Editing Lauren. I just wanted to update everybody on the fire. So it was a fire started in a commercial kitchen on Pike Street, which is kind of what we were going through past. And it spread to the building's ventilation system, so that's why, like, it was very intense. But everyone seemed to be fine, and there's no, like, injuries or, like, you know, tragedies.
Saw a monk for the first time. Oh, okay. Yeah, go on the other side though. It's cute. Oh shit.
No, they have it in here too, and over there.
Gotcha. We're at the market. One of the top places to go in Seattle. So this is the very first Starbucks, and the line is very long. So there's a wall of gum up here. It's like famous. So this oh wow. Whoa. That is a lot of gum. So all of this is just gum. I kind of want to go close to it. Can we go a little close to it?
I don't care, baby.
Oh, that is kind of gross. Wow. What? That's funny. Wow. But what do you think of this?
It's gross.
This is very gross. But that's funny. Kind of smells interesting. Like Fruit Loops. It's on both sides too. Yeah. Also, these suitcases on cobblestone and brick is not fun. It smells very fruity here. Kel's just got this big Starbucks drink for free.
Use your stars wisely, people. And you add cold foam and your syrups, and it's basically a free latte.
Online.
Good?
Alright, so we are on our trek to Chinatown in Seattle, and also on this hunt for a bathroom as well. I think this thing is about it for the Chinatown. Otherwise, it's looking like this. We have located the arch, but there really is not much around here. It's kind of a little bit run down, if I might say so myself. So we ended up going to this food court because it's the only like bathroom around basically that, because even some of the restaurants don't even allow you to use the restroom, so we're now in some type of food court. Chinatown was low-key not good, so if you're in Seattle, don't waste your time on Chinatown, honestly. Go to all the other touristy bits. Don't go to Chinatown. Right, Hills?
We've been to better ones, yeah.
Yeah. We are now in a Asian market. It's kind of like a H Mart.
You need this one or this tofu one.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know the pens anymore, but yeah. Okay, so we're going to this National Park Gold Rush Museum here so that we can sit down and watch a movie for 20 minutes about the gold rush here, and possibly get a stamp, look at some national park stuff in the store. You know, just peruse around. Dang.
Look, the gold rush went all the way to where we were.
Check out their coin pouches and wallets. The uniforms. The boots. That. That's actually so cool. I didn't know that.
Oh, step.
Alright, weight in gold.
Got the screen.
$7 million.
You're worth more than me.
It's the muscle. I also have the camera and my stuff in my pockets.
And so it wasn't as if the entire island.
Are you gonna get rich? I don't think you got rich.
No, I didn't get anything.
Literally so close. I spun.
You got some gold though.
I spun so close. Yeah, that's
You got
true.
nothing.
I found some gold.
Will you share with me?
I almost struck rich.
Will you share with me? I like the backpack they had.
Huh. Oh. Okay, so this is an all vegan Mexican restaurant that we stopped at. We need some actual Mexican West Coast food because they have the best out here. Hopefully it's good. We are getting on the train
Going up.
to the airport. The Uber would have costed us $64. Train cost us $3.
30 minutes. All trains boarding the Glenwood platform.
Sometimes is that what you want me to say? Yes. Forever. Right?
We're in the airport, but we have to transfer using a train. This is a long way to ask age. Our flight got delayed by 40 minutes. 40 minutes. So instead of a 10 p.m. flight, it's gonna be a 10:40 flight. Get there around what, 7 a.m. in the morning, Philly. Then I gotta do a bunch of work, basically. So I'm just tired at this point. I'm tired. Finally, morning. Yeah, my first red eye.
Kind of.
I don't really remember, but I'm tired.
Philadelphia, where the local time of its clan elite members. Have a wonderful rest of your morning.
Okay, we're on the plane. Gonna get an Uber. This lady behind me was talking the entire time. Barely got any sleep. Haley got like 2 hours. We're gonna go home and sleep.
You have enough of grandma now?
He took it to what? He took his 2 days.
It's Easter, by the way. So, happy Easter.